Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can use Google on PS5 web browser. So just press PlayStation button, then press on the game base, go to chat, find your friend, and then as you can see here, I tried to write google.com, but it doesn't work, right? So what you need to do here first is to go and write bing.com, and then as you can see here, it will be link. Press on that. Then what we need to do here next is to get request. Why is that? Let's try again. I just entered to Bing and there was no problems. Yeah, as you can see here, it's working perfectly fine. And if you want to find it something, you can write directly on Bing. But if you want Google, then just click on the search bar and write Google, right? Or G, and then go to google.com. And then just accept all. And then you can search on Google, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. And after you're done searching, press options, then close card, right? And yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.